Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're reviewing some Yeezys.
So, in case you didn't notice from this giant 700 here, these are the Yeezy 700s, MNV right here, made by Adidas. It's a cardboard box, pretty simple standard. Usually you open it like this, but for these, slide it out like this.
So did these cost $700? Is that why it says 700?
No, but that'd be pretty interesting. Alright. So here's a shoe. Right there. It's very green colorway. They're called the Yeezy 700 Resins. That's the colorway. Which resin, as I know, doesn't really look this color, but you know, that's pretty cool.
Here's the other one.
So this pair right here, to be specific, is a 10.5, which is my size because they are my shoes. And then as you see here, it has 700 here, backwards, but it's like kind of sparkly actually. A little bit of metallic color. Pretty cool. And then right here, the laces, whether you like it or not, they are like stuck together, which is actually kind of nice because you can just like slip them in here instead of like having to tie them. They're already tied for you.
Ooh, that's my favorite part. And what do you think of the design of these?
They look kind of nice, though. I don't know, not kind of my favorite looking.
You're not the biggest fan?
shoes.
Yeah, it's an honest opinion, and we respect that.
Yeah, well, he really does not like chunky shoes, which I don't really. These are more chunkier, I guess. But I like those shoes more because they're more comfortable. See, it's like thicker, more comfortable shoes. These are very comfortable, actually. I've been wearing them for a while. But
Yeah, they do actually kind of look comfortable. I do have to admit that. You can also see like the white foam kind of stuff.
Cool.
Now we're gonna demonstrate putting them on. It's a cool feature with these laces.
Just like that?
Yep.
No needing to tie your laces? They're all done?
There you go.
That's my kind of shoes right there.
Personally, I think these shoes are very nice. I've been wearing them for quite a while now, and they're very comfortable. You know, I wear them a lot. I mean, green is maybe not everybody's color, but you can style it with most things, and they are pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for watching.
See you on the next one.